Yeah, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh yeah. So. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Go, keep rolling. Okay. So ayan master, another fishing adventure na naman tayo, and this time special ito yung ating fishing adventure kasi kung makikita nyo yung service natin, no? Spellboat naka spellboat kami. This is the first time we have a guest from I think Canada. Papakilala ko master, papakilala ko siya sa inyo mamaya, but for now pupunta muna kami sa spot. Look at that. Oh shit, naka spellboat. Social ka man par. Relax. Social. Siyempre, relax. Oh. Chill. Chill yan. So, maya master, ipapakita namin sa inyo sino yung mga kasama namin sa fishing adventure na to. And this is a 3 days na fishing adventure, and one of our target fish is the giant trevally. So, yun yung gusto hanapin ng guest natin ngayon. Bigyan ko ang promote namin. Abay ko, sleep.
Bobby, that's me.
Yeah, I know.
Wala ka dyan.
But it's shallow here.
Shallow here.
Thanks.
Kuya, isa na standing, Bobby. Ayun na, standing na. Hindi standing.
Nakalan na ng sito yung bisita natin na foreigner. Yo! Nice one, bro! Nice one! Yeah!
I really fuck it.
Nice one! Master.
Oh my god.
This is the GT. You feel that strong because we see you almost I think 2 times. Here you go. Congrats. Okay, mission complete on the first day. Wow! Successful yung ating target ngayon na makapag-land si Sir Mike ng ng target niya na giant trevally. Yeah. Congrats. Hello, what's up? May sipon ako.
Pareho kami may sakit Master Eli, pero fly fishing ang pinag-uusapan. Walang sakit-sakit.
Ito na naman tayo sa isa sa malayong spot Kaya punta natin. So ito try natin mag-popping dito. Gamit natin yung setup ng Master Eli na light popping. Kaya natin mag-attempt magkuha na GT dito. So Master Eli lang doon, no? Nakapaglan na ng GT. Wow! Woohoo! Woo!
Utang pala.
Power Master!
Mission Master!
Woo!
Woo! Ah! Ang laki! Oh! Master! Woo! Look at that. Yung muntot, Master. There you go. Grabe. Power. Laki. Kaya, Master. Kadali tayo, GT. Yan. Power yung ano. Buti lang nakapopping rod tayo. Gabuhayan ako ng dugo. So, ikikip natin to para sa crew ng ano, Putrajaya. So mag-try kami ng ano, try kami dito sa ano, sa sandbar. Ang ganda, Master. Ang ganda mo. Ah. GT. Grabe pote. Poteng pote. Grabe yung dito. So yung sunod, 'di ba, Master, binibili, mamahalin. Dito sa amin ginaulam lang, yan, oh. Inuulam lang namin yung sunod dito. Oh. Yan. Sweet and sauce. Yan, sweet and sauce. O, alis na kami, Master. Tatapos lang namin kain. Balik na kami doon sa isang spot. At medyo maalo ng biyahe namin yun.
Yung ano, Master?
Ano? Maalo na. Wala pa yan. Dito pa kami sa loob. Doon sa labas, malalaki yan. So pupunta kami sa isang island. Doon naman kami mag-papaint, mag-hunt ng GT. Let's go! So yan, dito na kami sa isang spot. Meron pang last na spot mamaya, pero dito muna kami mag-popping kami dito. So sumaybayan natin si Master Eli this time. Si Master Eli naman ang mag-popping.
Nilalamig ako, tapos tinatrangkaso.
Partida.
Oo,
Partida yan.
busy ko lang yan. Mamaya
Kagabi gina... Gagano siya kagabi.
Oo.
Kalamig. Kahangin, oy. Grabe yun. So... It's a bluefin. It's a bluefin. Gas. Wow. Look at that. Nice one.
Ayun, nawala.
Alot na.
Sinugod ng tupid, sa harapang lang. Okay, this is my last bit. Pagod na ako.
Sa harap na. Muntik pa madapa. Kunin mo na, kunin mo na. Masabit pa yan. Sureball na. Baka madali niya sa bato, Master. Bluefin ulit. Bumalik, Master. It's another bluefin.
Beautiful.
It's the same size. It's the same size. Yeah.
Nice size.
See, that's the behavior of the bluefin.
Yeah?
After they strike, they're gonna leave.
And then back again.
Yeah, and then back again.
So you may
So-
stay here.
Yeah, so that's why you need to stay here.
In this exact spot. Don't move around.
Yeah, yeah. Keep holding. I'm going to grab you. Oh, yeah. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Go. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Okay. We're good. He's stuck.
I don't know. We have to go get him
Yeah.
and lose him.
Yeah. Go. Keep rolling. I think it's stuck. Stuck on the stone, right? Yeah. Stay there. Stay there. I'm gonna go check it out. Keep the tension. Yeah, you got the tension? Yeah. It's still moving. Check mo, master, may ano ka? Check mo. Oh, parang sumabit sa bahura. He's gonna check it out. You feel? Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, it's okay. I saw you. He pulled you. He pulled you to the depth. That's that strength. Look at that.
Holding him.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
He broke off.
I don't know. Ah! Sabit. Grab. You feel him? Yeah. Keep reeling. It's bluefin. I got you. Oh, there he is! It's a bluefin. Keep reeling. Yeah, keep reeling. Okay. Go. Pump in reel. Okay. You need to stand up. Yeah, you need to stand up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, keep reeling. Pump in reel. Go. Yeah. Pump in reel. Yeah. Got you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You need to stand up. Pump in reel. Because I'm gonna grab the fish. Yeah. Yeah. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. I got him. You got it. Woo! Oh my God. Congrats. Look at that. That's a big one. It's like I think it's 4 or 5 kilo. I don't know. Doon din siya. Napalaban tayo, master, sa GT pati sa Inglisan. Sa bluefin. And it's a big one. Oh man, you are really lucky in this lure, this popper. This is the same you used yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay. When you hold,
Take a picture.
yeah, but be careful with the tail.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really sharp.
Actually, I have a glove.
Yeah. That's use it into your right hand. Grabe. There you go, sir. It's a
with
giant
me,
bluefin.
Gorgeous.
This fish almost
Full the ocean.
pull him in the ocean. He almost. Nice one, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a big bluefin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay! Okay. Grabe, master. Napalaban tayo sa GT tsaka sa Englishan. Woo! So nakakatuwa no dahil nakapag-land na si Sir Mike. So yun talaga yung pinaka-plan natin o isa sa mga gusto natin mangyari isa makapag-land si Sir ng diba dahil yan talaga yung pinunta niya dito sa lugar. So napakalayo pa ng pinanggalingin niya. Galing pa siya sa Canada. Pumunta na dito sa Philippines, sa Palawan para mag-hunt lang ng GT. They're here. Uy. Uy. Boy. Strike. Strike, boy. Sayang, dalawa. Sabi na nga ba kahapon dalawang strike din dito kahapon. Yan, pangalawang strike na yun. Naka-off pa yung camera. Akala ko naka-on. So face on. Ha! GT boy! GT! Grabe boy, laki. Tignan nyo to, master, oh. Yung una niyang strike na hindi niya natin napahookset. Sa mata pala yung tama yan, oh. Yan. Inulitan niya. This time lunok. Ha! Pag lunok, sure ball, hila agad. Yan ang kagandahan, master, pag nalunok yung popper.
Diretso lang rin.
Ang dali hilain.
Another GT.
So madali lang natin siya nalaan kasi nasubo niya yung popper. Yan ang kagandahan pag nasusubo nila yung popper. Yan, oh. So mag-cast tayo ulit. Nag-iipon tayo ng GT ngayon. Aroy! Lasing na naman ang crew. Pampulutan, oh, mister. Pampulutan. Hindi ko nakuha yung cross strike niya. Master, ilang. They're here. Same size, bro. Another one, master. Sakto na natanggal yung popper. Sakto na natanggal yung popper. Ha, yeah, master, oh. Ito yung kanina. Yan yung kay sir. Sir Mike. Pin, laki. Ito yung bago nating huli. Dalawa na, master, oh.
Dalawa.
Dalawang kitty.
Dalawa.
Ito yung bago nating huli. Ha!
Another GT boy! Woo. So this is the advantage pag naka-popping setup ka. So, lamang na lamang ka sa ganito. Makokontrol mo yung isda. Kasi pag medyo maliit ng ating setup, kasi GGT-han tayo, kaya niyang dali lang itakbo sa dagat ay sa bato. So ito, yan. Another GT. Let's go! Salamat na po oh. Same size, master! Chamba boy! Chamba boy! Yan na, na tayo. Okay, sir, kanina. Malaki yung bluepin niya. Malaki na. Malaki ba? Thank you, Lord. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala dito si Master Eli. Andun sa smellboat. Iniginaw. So, nag-sign na dun sa speedboat na huwi na. Kasi hapon na rin to, Master. Magbiyahe pa kami pa uwi ng mainland. Ang laki ng bluepin ni Sir.
Mas malaki yung bluepin.
Napakatatis na. Aray ko! Puro jete, boy! Ano laki? Laki yun.
Abutin niya ng 15.
Yan, so ito pala yung aming gamit na speedboat. Yan. Araw-araw ito nagabiyahe. Yan siya. At dito yung kanilang docking area. Dito sa bayan ng Bulacan. Pati pa ulo, hindi pinatawad ni Ili ah. Ano yung ni Dante? Tatlong bluepin, apat na urig. Ayan, good morning Master, good morning. This is our last day of fishing kasama ang aming guests. And meron tayong parang trip ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi papasok kami ng
Mangrove.
na may
Crocodile.
papasokin namin yung mangrove dito na pinanggagalingan ng mga buhaya. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yun. Ha. Papasok kami ng So, Master, wala nag-strike. Walang ganap ngayong dito pinasok namin yung ilog. And meron tayong napala dito, Master. Ito yung labi ko, maga. Maga siya, Master. Hinalikan ako ng paniknik. So lalabas na kami. Pupunta na kami ng island. Let's go. Aray, Papa Steve.
Kita mo, Master, yung kagat.
Ha?
Yung kagat.
Ano yung mga kagat mo? Ano? Agay ko, tad siya. Ito, baliwala ito. Dito tinatablan.
Baliwalo.
Walo lang yung tama.
Baliwalo.
Oh, kumakamot yarn.
Kamot yarn.
Makati yarn. Ito pala, may papaging oh. Okay, let's go. Basa na naman ang itlog ni fish on. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon, Master, naghahanap ako ng spot dito na wala masyadong bato. So, yun yung pupwestuhan namin ni Sir Mike. Para mataas din yung chance makapaglan tayo kasi walang bato masabitan. But for now, naparati siya ng magandang pwesto. That's why every time I cast, I use my full strength. Oh, look at that. Oh, go. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're good. You don't need to go to the shop because that fish gonna take your lure into the rocks. Fine. Yeah, that's nice. Woohoo! There you go. Just keep pumping. That's a big one. Oh my God. There you go. Yeah, your drag is good. Yeah. Yeah, just keep pulling. Pumping the reel so you can take a line. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Yeah, take. Oh, that's a big one, sir.
Wow.
That's a big one. That's so big. This is so, ouch. Oh, my hand. Oh, slip on my, oh my God. Woo! This is two-digit one. Look at that. Woo! This is the real deal.
Oh my God.
This is the one. This is the. We've been looking really hard on this fish because this fish gonna give you. Oh, slip on my hand. Slip on my hand. Okay.
Okay,
Ah. He's too strong. He's too strong. Okay. Wow. This is the big one. Whew. Oh my God. Congrats. It's bigger than I caught yesterday.
Maaga pa lang magandang pakita ito. Unang-una nakapagland agad si Sir Mike ng kanyang target na isda. Isa sa mga challenge din sa amin nila. Gusto din talaga namin siya makapagland talaga.
Haha. Woo! That's a big GD. That's a big GD. And Sir Mike is gonna release it. There you go. Good fight, bro. Good fight. Congrats. Whew, power. Yeah. Masha to sound. Oh.
I lost it.
And the popper? Oh, oh. There's a popper. The limb chicken popper. Get out of balance on the snow. Oh, there's a lot of fight right here.
Yan, naglipat naman kami ng pwesto. Palala isipon ko. Pero hagis pa rin, boy. Let's go. So balik na kami ng spellbot. Yan o. Kasi yung ilog ko, hindi ko na maramdaman. Char lang. Hindi, wala masyadong strike kasi mataas na yung tubig. So sa tingin ko, o yung suspetsya namin is yung mga giant tribali nagpatabi na. Pero kahit pa paano yung brother-in-law niya nakapagland ng bluefin dito lang sa spellboat. Tignan natin yung huli nila na po. Palagaw.
Ganda ng kulay.
Guwapa.
First time.
Beginner's luck. Yes.
Bend na bend yung ano, yung hook.
Ikot doon, nagsampay na yung rad doon sa may...
Mike,
Sa bar.
Oh, nice one. Yeah. It's ano, very energetic.
Energetic.
Gagi, so, sobrang blue kala ko nga, all blue siya eh. Wow. Di nga
Bali yung hook.
Ito yan, pre.